Hey, Meta, take a picture. Wow, I still can't believe this. Smart glasses? We're standing at the edge of the greatest technological shift in human history. The rise of AI agents. It isn't just changing how we do business, it's rewriting the rules entirely. The question is, will your business lead the way or will it be left behind? Picture this. It's 2035. Your competitors are embracing AI. Their operations are seamless, their decisions lightning fast, and their customer experience deeply personalized. And then there's your business, struggling to keep up, overwhelmed by inefficiencies, and losing customers to companies that simply do it better and faster. For those of you who may not know me, I'm Shante Earl with LDI AI Automation Agency, and we host Smart AI workshops. We help businesses by focusing on AI education, access, and integrations. And let's be real, business as we know it is about to change forever. Hundreds of millions of jobs will be reshaped. Processes we've depended on for decades will disappear. AI agents are here, and they're transforming industries overnight. Think about it. Businesses that fail to adapt to this shift will face higher costs, slower turnaround times, and dissatisfied customers. Worse, they'll risk irrelevance. Take a moment to consider what's the cost of doing nothing. How many hours are your teams wasting on repetitive tasks while competitors are investing in tools that get the job done in minutes? This isn't just possibility. It's happening right now. The businesses that survive the last major revolution, like the rise of the internet or smartphones, weren't the ones that hesitated. They were the ones that acted. But here's the good news. It's not too late. You're here and you're listening, which means you're ready to lead. AI isn't a threat. It's an opportunity. It's not about replacing your workforce. It's about empowering them to focus on what truly matters. Imagine if you had a digital team member who could work 24/7, analyze your data, plan your strategies, and handle customer inquiries, all while your human team innovates, strategizes, and drives your business forward. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. And businesses adopting AI agents are already transforming and seeing results. So why AI? Because businesses that integrate AI now aren't just improving, they're revolutionary. They're reducing costs by automating mundane tasks. They're enhancing customer experience with personalized service, and they're positioning themselves as leaders in the next era of commerce. AI agents can draft and launch marketing campaigns in minutes. They can analyze customer feedback and adapt strategies in real time. They're able to automate scheduling, invoicing, data management, all at a fraction of the time and cost. And here's the best part. Adopting AI doesn't mean tearing apart your existing systems. It means enhancing them. Step by step, AI can be integrated into your workflows, helping you achieve goals faster, smarter, and more cost effectively. The future is here. The businesses that embrace AI today will be the ones that dominate tomorrow. Will you be one of them? The choice is simple. Adapt or be left behind. Let's make this shift together. Let's not wait until AI is a necessity. Let's make it your competitive advantage now. Join Smart AI workshops. We have the tools here, the opportunities are endless, and the time to act is today. So let's build a business future where you don't just survive, you thrive.